All right, now that you've learned about Aperture, it's time to put it to work. Please go to your web browser where you should have CameraSim running, but right now these settings are all messed up because you played with them earlier by experimenting. We're going to change that by refreshing your web page. Find the refresh button or the reload button on your web page and reload it, and that's going to reload the whole CameraSim inline app, and now everything's back to its default settings. Okay, once you've done that, and please do this with me, I want you to turn on Aperture Priority Mode. When you turn on Aperture Priority, now we can change the aperture. Go ahead and experiment with me, and as you change the aperture, the CameraSim will automatically change the shutter speed to match. Don't worry about why it's changing the shutter speed. You'll learn more about shutter speed soon. But you remember, a lower aperture number, an f value of 4.5, is going to have a shallower depth of field. A bigger f number is going to have a deeper depth of field. Now, it doesn't change here in the preview window, the finder. I need to take a picture to see the change. So here's an f of 16, take a picture, and I've got deep depth of field. The slide is in focus, and she is almost in focus. Her face is a little blurry. That was too big of an aperture. Take a picture with a lower aperture value, and we're going to get a shallower depth of field. Her face is in focus. Whoa, I even got the fan mostly in focus, but the slide is totally out of focus. All those things are fine. A deep depth of field is good for some shots, shallow depth of field good for others. Aperture is the key to do that. Experiment with a little bit, and when you're ready, move on to the next thing.